How to sell Pi coin on Bitget. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell Pi coin on Bitget. So let's get started. So first of all, you get to open the application of Bitget on your phone. So you need to create an account on Bitget if you don't have an account already. So you can simply create an account by following some simple prompts. And once you have created your account, you'll be redirected to your homepage. Now, if you wish to sell the Pi coin you have in your Bitget, you get to simply click on assets over here. And once you click on assets, you're going to scroll to the option of spot. And over here, you're going to search for Pi. Now, however, if you're not able to navigate Pi over here, you can simply come to trade. And then you can just click on trade. And here you can click over here, search for Pi/USDT. I'm going to use Pi USDT. And here you can switch it to sell. Now, when it turns red, means you are, on the sell page. So you can just click on this over here and make sure it's market so that you can fill and sell the Pi at a market price. And then you can select a specific price over here, select a quantity, whether you want to sell in USDT or Pi, and then you can just click on top loss and slippage type of stuff. You can just set them, and once done you can just simply click on take profit, stop loss, and then you can just click on sell Pi. So once you click on sell Pi, you'll be able to sell your Pi quite easily and get the funds into your Bitget account. So that is basically how you can sell Pi coin on Bitget. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.